more time here, Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1995 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Torch red, black leather interior. Just a little over 61,000 miles on this one is all. I do want to mention it does have a marked title, salvaged. LT1, 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood as we take a look at the front fascia. You see the paint shows well on it. Power steering, power brakes, AC, automatic transmission with overdrive. 507-386-1726 is the number to call if you'd like to inquire in this car. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you check out all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. You can see it's riding on the correct saw blade wheels, directional wheels that are in the correct direction. Take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, bucket seats, center console. Does have electronic climate control, AM/FM cassette, the transparent and a tinted blue transparent roof, and that is removable, of course. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation as we take a look at the rear of the car. And onto the driver's side. See, paint shows well over here too. I did notice maybe a little tiny spot right here in the rug strip. You can see that. Being pretty fussy. Again, paint shows well. Fun car to cruise in. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Look in the rear hatch. Of course, you can put the removable top in here. It will ride along. AC Delco Bose Gold Series stereo system. Also show you the privacy cover in the back here. There we go. So the retractable part in that does work also. Nice tight fit actually. Working order. Something else I'll show you as far as the steering column, if you're familiar with these C4s, you know if people use that as leverage to get in and out of the seat, this steering column will become loose and wobbly. It is tight, nice and tight in this one. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seats both sides. Tilt and cruise, so nicely equipped with that too. Let's go ahead and start this up. I'm going to show you the exact mileage here. Alright. Can you see it there? 61,575. You'll see that. There you go. No warning indicators, anything like that. I have the door open and they don't have a seatbelt on. As far as stereo system,
let's now tackle the waiting list. Make your game plan to register.
Stereo system working. Automatic climate control also working, as well as the AC. Dash looks good. All right, as far as the seating surfaces, not showing a lot of wear. Black leather, nice shape. Let's go ahead and pop the hood on this. Nice and tidy underneath the hood. There it is, the 5.7 liter LT1. 300 horse, I believe it should be in 1995. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. See what you'd expect. All right, close this up 1 second. And let's try the lights. Working order. And remember, at the end of this video, be a little driving video with this car, so you can kind of take a little virtual ride along with it. 95 Chevrolet Corvette. A little over 61,000 miles on it. Torch Red. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1995 Chevrolet Corvette in bright red with a black interior, looking good. An automatic on the center console. This car has a see-through roof that is removable. Our factory stereo working well. Very good acceleration, as you would expect from a Corvette. Tachometer, digital speedometer, and all our gauges appear to be working well. Volts are at about 14.5. Engine temperature about 190. Oil pressure about 50. And the oil temperature is just coming up off the bottom of the gauge. This car is showing 61,577 miles. It's a nice low mile Corvette. If I let go of the wheel while we're going down the road, this car stays nice and straight. Air conditioning is blowing cold right now. Pretty soon we won't need that AC in Minnesota anymore. But it's been a warm end of September, beginning of October so far. Very good cornering, as you would also expect from a Corvette. Comfortable factory leather bucket seats in this car. Power adjustable multi-position seats. Cruise control is functioning. Another nice feature to have. Just a great run-in Corvette in classic red. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.